Greetings programs, Atari here, you there, and welcome to another in our series on Arduino Basics. In our last lesson, we learned how to have an Arduino talk to us by blinking its LED. Now we need to learn how to talk to the Arduino. And we do that through a variety of different sensors, buttons, potentiometers, switches, the whole gamut. Some of these are digital switches, on and off, push buttons, or contact switches. Some of these are analog, and they provide a range of values back and forth. Today, we're just going to learn about the digital switches. So let's take a look at the circuit. We begin at the 5-volt output of the Arduino, through a jumper wire into our breadboard and into one leg of a push button. The adjacent leg of the push button is connected into the input for an LED through a 330 ohm resistor and then back to ground. The switched side of the push button goes through a jumper into pin 2 on the Arduino. Now let's take a look at our Arduino sketch. The serial begin command, appropriately enough, begins serial communications at 9600 bits of data per second between your board and your computer. If you'd like to learn more about serial communications, go ahead and click this link in the upper right-hand corner. The digital read command reads the value from the specified digital pin, either high or low. The serial print line command prints data to the serial port as human-readable ASCII text, followed by a carriage return character and a new line character. Now let's upload the sketch and see it in action. When we push the button, our LED lights up, and when we let go, it turns off. It's a very simple digital switch. On, off. We can also look at the serial monitor and see the state of the switch as well. 1 being on and 0 being off. And that will conclude today's Arduino how-to lesson. To learn more about using the Arduino, click the playlist here and watch the entire series. And to get the complete show notes for this episode, including the sketches that are used, click the link right here. If you're interested in goofy electronics projects or learning more about various electronics platforms, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. My name is Atari, and until next time, tally ho, y'all!